Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wiwi Utari Dewi. I'm from class 6 TP2 and today I'm going to explain about review article about the correlation between students' writing ability and their vocabulary mastery. From the background, in introduction, vocabulary is very important in order to understand English. Nunan cited in Surniati 2006 state that one of the important parts in the equation of the second language is the development of rich vocabulary. And Jung cited in Setiawandi 2006 also state that the researchers and learners have recognized vocabulary use and development as a major aspect of learning a language. The amount of vocabulary is also affecting the understanding of communication. So as we know that English covers 4 skills, namely speaking, reading, listening, and writing. There are also 3 parts in English, such as vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation should be learned too. Those parts play important role supporting the skills of a language in use. In Indonesia, English language is very important to learn in improving knowledge, technology, and culture by using English. Okay, now we talk about writing. Writing is one of communication skills as means of communication that we must consciously learn because no one learns to write automatically. People cannot write even a single letter of the alphabet without a conscious effort of a mind and hand. And to get beyond the single letter, we must be shown how to form words, how to put sound together into sentence, and how to put punctuate those sentence. And about the vocabulary is one important aspect in learning a foreign language. With a limited vocabulary, anyone will also has limited understanding in terms of speaking, reading, listening, and writing. It is true that it might be impossible to learn language without understanding what is vocabulary. And material and method. In this research, the research used descriptive text, descriptive design. Descriptive research is method that tries for describe object based on reality. The technique used in this research is correlation analysis technique. This technique is used to find out the correlation degree between the independent variable, student rewriting of the story, and the dependent vocabulary mastery. The sampling technique uses cluster sampling, which collects the sample randomly in population. The data collecting procedure of this study was based on tests. There were 2 variable analysis, namely students writing of the story in film and vocabulary mastery. And student rewriting of the story in film, that is independent variable. Students rewriting of the story in film means their writing activity in retelling story in the film. And the film used in this research which also there is a title in the film. In the film, with a subtitle that is suitable for junior high school level. And students vocabulary mastery here means that the number of vocabulary that students know from the film show. The measure students vocabulary mastery, they will be given a number of questions based on the vocabulary on film. Okay, now we discuss about the state from the From the first is Nunan Sitit in Sonarity 2006 state that vocabulary is very important in order to understand English. That is part in a question of the second language is development of a rich vocabulary. For this statement, I agree with this statement because I think that vocabulary is one important aspect in learning a foreign language. When we are just have a limited vocabulary, we also has a limit understanding with in terms of speaking, reading, listening, and writing. It is true that it might be impossible to learn a language without mastering vocabulary. And vocabulary is one of the problems confronted by English language learners. Because of the limited vocabulary, the learners cannot communicate to others clearly. Sometimes it is difficult to group the idea transmitted to them. The acquisition of a large number of vocabularies can help the student read, speak, listen, and write. A good vocabulary and ability to use words correctly and effectively can help the student make schoolwork easier and more rewarding. And also, many tests that kids take in school include vocabulary question. The more vocabularies they know, the better they chance to do well on English tests. And about a state from Norbert Schmidt in Setiawandi 2006 state that vocabulary is a basis of a language. It is very important to be a master first. I also, according to me, I also agree with this statement because we cannot speak well and understanding written material if we don't understand about vocabulary. Norbert Schmidt also state that no matter how successfully the sound of the foreign language is mastered, without words to express the wider range of meanings, communication of a foreign language just cannot happen in meaningful way. And next, according to David Crystal, he stated that vocabulary is the average of language. For the reason a person who wants to be able to communicate in certain language has to master the vocabulary of the language for in the first time. For this statement, I think that vocabulary is one of the language aspect have to be learned when people want to learning a language. And then good mastery of vocabulary is very important for anyone who wants to learn about language in terms of listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Besides a grammar, right? And a learner of the foreign language will speak fluently and currently, write easily, or understand what he or she reads or hears of she has enough. And then according to Stemke and Tomalin state that the interest of children and adults will occur quicken when the language experience in lively way through television and video. The health moving can also help the student to develop their skill in learning English, such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing skill. Giving a certain activities by using video material can develop can develop the four skills. Okay, from this statement, um, I think that um, I also agree with this statement because when we are learn about vocabulary, and then we also can learn from the film, as I said from the first. I mean, like, in addition, the videos can also help the student to develop their skills in learning English, such as the four skills that I said, like listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Giving certain activities by using video materials can develop the four skills. In this research, the use of film as audiovisual material is to measure students' rewriting of the story in the film. Another important thing in rewriting the story film is the vocabulary mastery of the student. The vocabulary is used to order to get meaning of words in gaining the meaning of dialogue happened in the film. And and the last is for according to Danan, from Danan 2004, state that audiovisual material enhanced with captions or interlingual subtitles is a particular powerful pedagogical which can help improve the listening comprehension skill of second language learners. Okay, for this statement, I think that subtitling in film is very helping the student visualize what they are here, especially if the input is not too far beyond their linguistic ability. And subtitling can also increase language comprehension and leads to additional cognitive benefits such as greater depth of processing. In subtitle expected to make the student easier to understand the meaning of the dialogue. To understand the meaning of the dialogue in the film. Since the student have to rewrite the story in film, the subtitle is one of the helpful tools for the student to grasp the meaning of the dialogue in film. And there is the subtitle of the film is Indonesia language form because we are an Indonesian. Okay, and now we are talking about the findings, the correlation between student writing ability and their vocabulary mastery. The result of the correlation analysis between student writing ability and vocabulary mastery shows that those are at the substantial level have a correlation. They have a correlation. The result of this research shows that film can be one of the media in learning English. Students did not only have a good score in writing of the story in film test, but also vocabulary mastery test. This means that film can help the student improve their writing ability and to create interesting atmosphere in learning the vocabulary occur in the film, as indicated in this research. It is accordance with the previous researches which were found by Febranti Fajarah that there is a significant correlation between watching movie and student vocabulary. On the other side, the research finding of Saparudin found that improving student vocabulary through watching animation movie by considering the previous research finding and the finding of the research itself. The writer stated that student writing ability it has close relation with communication skills in English, namely listening, speaking, reading, especially in sub-skill in vocabulary mastery. So from this all of the discuss, I think I can conclude that vocabulary is all the words that used in language and each has mean each of it. Also, vocabulary also consists of some parting like verbs, idioms, adverb, communication, and exact. Learning vocabulary was very important before we learn 4 basics in the language. And the conclusion is the lack of use of media become a problem in learning English as a foreign language as indicated in this research. Basically, students' interest in learning English can be increased by providing interesting media in teaching English. As a Stemsley stated, the help of moving picture and sound build the interest. The finding of this research, the writer concluded that there is a significant correlation between student writing ability and their vocabulary mastery. Maybe that's all that I can explain about review article about the correlation between writing ability and their vocabulary mastery. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.